So I just received the ANRAN home security system HD camera kit. I'm very impatient to see what's in the box, so let's open it right now. All right, so that's how you receive it from Amazon when you order it there. First of all, we see the user manual and some goodies there, free gifts and stuff. All right, so user manual. Let's open it quickly. I want to check the quality of this user manual, see if it's not a crappy one, black and white. But so far, it looks like very nice. Let's see. Yes, like I thought, it's all in color, all with graphic, so it looks to be very easy to understand. So that's already a great point. All right. Let's see what else. I can see the camera now there. Let's try to grab one. So there is like 4 cameras because it's a 4 channel, and the DVR here. All right. So one camera out, security camera. Let's see how they look like. All right. So here is your power input and your video connection, the camera. And reveal time. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, it looks very nice actually. Here's the camera itself. So very nice bullet camera. I like the color, it's like this black nice color. Usually these security camera are white, it's quite boring, but now with those it looks like more professional, like you have like a James Bond headquarter kind of camera. All right, with the model there. Okay, well, here you go. That's for the camera. All of 4 should be exactly the same, so no need to unpack the other one for now, only when I will install them. But let's see now for the DVR. Okay, that's interesting. There's like one box. I thought it was the DVR, but it's like one square box, and there is another one, another square box, if you can see there. So, and there is also a metal part here. That's look like a mouse pad, but it's metal. It's rigid metal, and a part is black with some ridges, and there's like the brand there on the side. So interesting. Now for the next box here, let's see. So the second square box, let me push that away a bit. So let's see, there is 1 and 2 of this square box. So what is inside? One should be the DVR, obviously, and one probably some cable connection, power, etc. that you need to power the DVR. Probably also the cable to link the camera to the DVR. Let's see what they give you. First box. All right, and that's the DVR. I really thought on the picture it looks bigger. But no, it's a small, look at that. Look at my hands, look at that. It's a small DVR system, I like that. Usually do system like take tons of space on your shelf and on your cabinets. This is like a cute little box. That's it for the box, yes, for this one. So let's see the cute box DVR. What we get here. Opening the DVR packaging. Dun, dun. It looks very nice indeed. So there is like some LED lights here on the front, if you can see. Probably some light that tell you if the unit is power on or not. But like I said, it's very cute. See DVR? It fits in one hand almost. Look at that. And here is, for those curious about it, here is the connection that you have in the back. So here is the power for the camera and probably the power for the DVR itself. Here you connect your internet cable, some USB plug right there, it's probably USB 2.0, VGA output, so you need to have a VGA monitor, but if you don't have one, look at that. They have HD out, which is HDMI out. And here is your 4 connector for the video cable that goes to the camera. Yeah, pretty simple. That's it for the cute little DVR system. I just see there, I notice, see it on the foot there, look like you can mount it on the wall. It has some like groove there, so you can put some screw and mount that like that with 2 screws here. For example, you can mount that on your wall if you want, if you don't want to just put that on the shelf. So that's very nice of them to have thought about this. Let's see what is in the second box. That should be all the cabling, and I was right. All right, so they give you mounting hardware to mount the camera everywhere you want. Some adapter there, it's like power to power adapter in case if you need those, I guess. All right, small internet cable, so to go to your router, if your router is next to the DVR, is a new cable for you. And of course all the cable you need, look like it's it has a bunch, so you really need, so you can reach wherever you want to install the camera. That's enough length on it, and the power, video. So it's 4 of those. Remove them all, 4 of those cable. Here for 4, and what else? We have the power that will power your DVR right here, plugged to the 12 volts in the back that I was showing you earlier. Let's get the DVR. So here we go. You plug the power here. These other power ports are for the cameras. And one last accessory, one last mysterious white box. Let's see what's in it. Look at that. That's why you have a USB port on the DVR, because they give you the tiny mouse with the double click in the middle. Tiny mouse that goes with it. Here we go, very tiny. Look at it. Compared to my hands, it's like a laptop mouse kind of thing, but it's nice. It's nice touch, digital, and you plug it in one of the USB ports that you have in the back of the DVR, like so. There you go, with the system, and using the fancy mouse pad they give you here. Here we go. Very nice. Hop, and a mouse in it. Okay, so that was all for this set. Let me do a pan away so you can see again. That's all they give you for this set. It's really everything you need to get started with your first security system at home, or to get another one, an additional one. It's never a bad idea to get more camera than not enough, especially those days with all the packet thief that we have, especially around Christmas and everything. And of course to secure your house. All right, so very good starting pack at least, and very good pack, very good camera. I love the look. I'm definitely happy with this purchase.